Alright class, you're using your WIN packet from yesterday, and remember we just flip to the back and we're opening from the back. So yesterday we did page 1, look down and flip open to page 2. It'll be on the back of page 1. So on page 2 you'll see at the top, number 2 should look like this, and there's number 2 at the bottom. Number bonds to 5, and it's basically like the Math Mountains, except for we have the total is over here, and then we have already one partner, and we had to figure out what should the other partner be to equal 5. And they also have help up here with blocks. So they have a total here, they have 1 filled in. How many are white? That is how much the other partner should be. And then fill that number in. So we'll go ahead and do the first one together because this is the first time we've been using this page. So let me get my pencil, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know that 1 plus 4 equals 5. Very good. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So I'm going to write a 4 because that's the other bond to make 5. Then I want you to do the other one over here. The total should be 5. Look at the one bond. What should the other bond be, or the other partner? Write it in. Measure the umbrellas. Circle the longest shape. So count the umbrellas that are measuring this long length here. Count the umbrellas. How many umbrellas did it take? Write the number over here. Do the same thing for the other one. Count how many umbrellas are measuring this whole length. Write the number here. Next, say the word slowly. Write all the sounds you hear. So this is spell sounding. You are going to say this word slowly, and he is what? What is he? Yes, he's a hippopotamus. So sound out hippopotamus. Say it slowly and write each letter sound you hear as you say it out loud. Okay? Can't wait to see that. I know you guys are such good spellers, so just say it slowly, write each letter sound you hear, and write the name on there. Remember, I want you to do that on your own, so please don't have anyone helping you. Shape words. Oh, shape words. So that, and they already have the 2 words on the bottom. So above this shape right here, you are going to write the word and put the letter in each box. So this is a picture of a, right, that's a, you got it, square. So you are going to write that word and put a letter in each box. This is a picture of a triangle. Good. And you don't have to spell sound because there is a word box down here for you to help you. So go ahead and just write those letters in the boxes. When you are finished with this, what do I want you to do? To show me that you did it, and I can't wait to see that spelled out word. Go take a picture of it on Seesaw. Thank you.